Welcome. In this tutorial, we will review how to configure and manage the quality control for the goods in transit orders. The quality process for the goods in transit orders is managed by a new feature called Enable Quality Control for Goods in Transit Order. And this feature has been released in application version 10.0.41. This feature is managed by the feature management workspace, so you have to enable the feature first. This feature extends the quality association configuration by adding a new option for the goods in transit orders. By using this feature, you could configure the quality associations to create automatically quality orders for the goods in transit orders. Let's navigate to the feature management workspace and ensure that the enable quality control for goods in transit order feature is enabled. Just select the feature, then click Enable Now. Once the feature is enabled, then we are ready to configure the quality associations. I'll navigate to the Inventory Management module, then Setup, then underneath the Quality Control, I'll select Quality Associations. Here I've configured a new quality association for the goods in transit order. Here we have the new option. Then as normal for the quality associations configuration, I've selected here this item. Then I applied a condition here for this site. Then when it comes to the process, here I've selected receive, and the execution will be after receiving the goods in transit order. In part of the event blocking, I could block the receiving process, but no need in this process. So here in the event blocking, I'll set it to none. Then here I've selected assemble test group, and here in the item sampling, I have 10% from the purchase order quantity. For this demo, I've created this purchase order. Like any goods in transit order in the landed cost module, here in the purchase order header, I've selected delivery terms, FOB, free on board. And here the goods in transit option is marked. Then after that, I'll proceed by creating the landed cost voyage. So here in the action pane, purchase landed cost, I'm gonna create a new voyage. Here you might specify any description, the vessel number. Then here in the journey template, I'm gonna select from Ningbo, China to Alexandria. Then I'll click OK. Here we have the purchase order lines. I'm gonna select this one, then add to staging, then view staging list. Then I'm gonna add this line into a new shipping container. So here I'll select the line, then add to new shipping container. Then here I'm gonna specify the shipping container number. Then I'll click OK. I'll navigate to the voyage in order to post the invoice. And once the invoice is posted, then the goods in transit order will be created. So here I'm gonna specify the purchase order invoice, then I'll click post. So now the goods in transit order has been created and the goods move to the goods in transit warehouse. Now I'll proceed by receiving the goods in transit order. I'll navigate to the landed cost module, then periodic tasks, goods in transit orders. Here we have our order. I'll select the order, then I'll click receive, then OK. So now once the order is received, here we can see that a quality order has been generated. We could navigate to the quality order from here. So here I'll check the generated quality orders. And here we can see the quality order has been generated for the reference of our purchase order and, for the reference of the goods in transit order and the quantity 10, which is 10% from the purchase order quantity. As normal, I'm gonna validate this quality order, but before that, I'd like to check the inventory blocking. So right now, the 10 eaches have been blocked. So here in the inventory management, then periodic tasks, here we have inventory blocking. I'll navigate down. Here we have the quality order, and here the 10 eaches have been blocked. So here in the quality order, I'm gonna specify here the quantity of the results. It pass, then I'll go here, then I'll click validate to validate the quality order. Now the quality order is validated. Now when it comes to navigate back to the goods in transit orders, we can see the goods in transit has been received. And here, while checking or validating the inventory transactions, so as normal, we can see the goods in transit order has been purchased into the final warehouse.